Okay, next application, adding a removal line to a soft mold. You can see this removal line has been pulled out, so I'm going to actually go back into that same port. I'm just going to slightly drill it out and add a new one and add some more glue to it, so hopefully this time it doesn't come out. So I'm using a 1mm drill bit. And I'm just boring out that location a little bit, like so. Then I'm using a 1mm ball burr. And the ball burr will actually open up, remove some of the glue, open up the pores of the silicone slightly so the glue will stick a little bit better this time, like so. So there's my port right next to the vent. Next, I'm going to actually make the removal line. So a simple task here. What I do is I use the memory of the line, and I'm going to make a square knot, like so. And I'm going to make it a double square knot, like so. Next, I'm going to cut the line. For pulling it very tight, I'm going to cut the line right near the knot itself. Now I'm going to put a drop of glue on it and cure it quickly. You can make your own knots. Just about like that. And then into the UV light. You can see now the knot is set up quickly. So I'm going to put the line through, starting at the tip towards the pink needle base, like so. And you always want to have some extra to kind of hold on to here. So now I'm going to force, using the needle here, I'm going to force it into the port, like so. Now that ball will act as a barb, so I can spin the needle slightly and pull it, and now it's stuck inside. And I'm going to come back to that shortly after I make my knot on this end. Now the secret to this is I just use a single knot on this end, get it started, like so. Now if you use your carbide bit, you can kind of put it to where you want it to be lengthwise. So here, I want the knot to be here, approximately 15 millimeters from the base, like so. Now I'm going to cut the excess off, like that. And now I'm going to put a drop of glue on that and cure it for the ball. And due to the shape of the knot, it's very hard for the ball to come off. I mean, it's made of the high tensile strength Loctite 4305, like so. And then into the light. All right, next, we're going to place a drop of glue on my lid. And I'm going to actually take the drill bit, because it'll drill its way off if I drill something. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to inject that glue into the port where my line goes into, and just get some of that in there. so the knot stays in securely now. And then I'm going to place it again, once again, both into the UV light chamber to cure it completely. Okay, so I removed it from the UV light, and I'm just testing the strength here, and you can see I have it glued in well with the ball on this end acting as a barb, and easy replacement.